New plates collaboration with Debbie. We're just prepping the nails on the model for the January 15th release for my new magazine.
Yeah.
It's like dimension. We're stamping a design, a scene. That's what it is.
A scene.
That's how we can
That's
say
the perfect
it.
word.
Yeah. It's a scene that we're creating on the nail that's stamped in layers. And if you put a thick gel in between, it gives the dimension for the layer. We hope.
So it looks like
We'll see.
It looks like you're looking into a fish tank.
Yeah, that's a good way to say it.
Yeah.
And this is something I was playing with. Did you guys see that?
Oh, it's amazing.
I mean, you can't work with a model like this who looks like she should be a Disney character and not go for sort of a mermaid kind of inspiration, right? Do that thing. Did you just
Mermaid.
see that mermaid?
Exactly.
I just walked by a mermaid.
Just walked by a mermaid.
How many layers is that on the lips?
Well, I did like a dimensional thing.
So 86.
All right, Debbie, what you got going on?
A little bit of shell action. Some gold on this little shell. It's looking a little flat.
This is the quietest we have been all day.
It's true. Everybody's just focusing. on
Even when we had food in our mouth, we were noisier. This is too much fun. It's like coloring, like big girl coloring. That's pretty
Oh
cool.
my god, it looks like, what does it look like? A high fashion, like...
That's what I wanted!
Like a
That's what I wanted!
Like runway kind
Yep,
of
yep.
look, right? Where you go, it's like crazy.
Keep talking.
Yeah,
Yeah, over the top.
yeah, that one.
Yeah. Like just like a burst of fashion.
Yeah.
I mean, we don't know what we're doing, but this is gonna look good.
Yeah, you can see it.
There. You're so expressive.